Create a haven of tranquility from the frantic pace of everyday life with the ultimate in wellness baths. Relax in your own spa experience and let the stresses of the day melt away. Powerful hydrotherapy jets massage away tension and strains from your back, leaving you luxuriously relaxed. Pamper yourself with the directional foot jets, letting them ease away tiredness from your feet. Enhance your bathing with color therapy. Choose from 7 colors to suit your mood. Let them calm or invigorate your body. Wellness Whirlpool systems use high-quality components and are delivered pre-fitted to your chosen bath.